So guys, I am back with another one. For this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make a predictive search field. So let's get started. Welcome to my screen, guys. So creating a predictive search field can be very easy. You just watch my screen and see how I'm doing it. So I'll bring in a box widget. Okay, then I'll bring in a heading because I want to create a text. So let's say Apple. Okay. Then I will reduce the size to 18. I don't want it bold. I want it to be regular. Okay. And I'll copy and paste it. And I'll change it to after the text here. And I'll paste another text and change it to almost. Another text and change it to agent. Okay, I think 4 will be okay. Then next I will bring in a text field. A text field. Then I will type in the text field the word search. Okay. And next I want to make the box widget here and the text here. I want to make them one. Okay, so to do that I have to make them a dynamic panel. So I will select the box widget and the text also. Okay, then I'll create a dynamic panel. Okay, now so they are one, and I will hide it. Now also make my text field a dynamic panel too. Okay, so let me preview for you to see. Okay guys, so when I'm typing, the message box here, the one I hide, it should pop up, or the text, it should pop up, but it's not showing. So I'll go back to my design. It is not showing, so I need to do the interaction so that when I start typing in the search bar here, the text here, they should pop up. So I will select the text field and then select the box widget here, then go to interaction, new interaction, then scroll down to text change. Okay, then show or hide the dynamic panel here. I want the dynamic panel here to show. Sorry, I forgot. I didn't give my dynamic panel a name. So I will select the dynamic panel here. It's on show already. Okay, I want it to fade. You can choose to leave it unknown. It will still work. Alright, so but me, I just want to take fade. Okay, so let me preview for us to see. Okay, now so okay, when I'm typing the text here, they all pop up. So what I want to do is I want to add a condition to it. So when I start typing, the condition I'll add to it, when I type letter Q, the The message box here, the text here, they shouldn't pop up when I type letter Q. Any letter other than A. If I type a different letter, it shouldn't pop up. But when I type letter A, they should pop up. So I need to add a condition to it. And for me to do that, I'll come back to my design and select the widget here. Then I will come here to enable cases. Okay, so add logic, text on widget, this widget, okay, then is one of, okay, so here the option I will give you, let's say L AG AN. Okay, so now, okay, so sorry, let me go back there and explain it. Okay, so here, if text on this is one of, if the letter I will start typing first. If it is A, if it starts with A, or the message there should pop up, or the text there should pop up. If it is AL, AG, or once it starts from A, then all the text there should pop up. Okay, that is what it's telling us here. And okay. Okay, so let's main preview for us to see. Okay, now so I'll type in the random text. Okay, you see, because it's not starts from A, the text here, it's not on the screen. It's supposed to pop up when I start typing, because it is not. Let me type Queen. Okay, because I started with like letter Q, you cannot see the text here. They are not popping up on the screen. So let me just type A and see. Okay, so the moment I type A, they will all pop up on the screen. Okay, so you can do it for other letters also. I will do it for other letters for you to see. Okay, so now I just need to add them. So add action, I just need to add the text which I did here. So set text, then agent. Okay, I just need to set them all. Set text almost. Okay, set text after. Set text, then apple. So you make sure you set them all. Okay, and we can also do it for other letters too. So like I said, I will do it for other letters. I'll come here to select the widget, then come here to case 1 and copy, Ctrl+C, then paste it, Ctrl+V. Okay, then you edit it. You come here to if text on this. Okay, so you select it here. Then all you do is you just change. You come here to enter option, so you just change it. Okay, so I did it for letter A first, so now I'll do it for B. So let's just say B O B A B R. Okay, so now if text on this one is, so if it is B O, whatever, once it starts from B, the text there should pop up. Okay, so now I will change, I will edit the text here, the names here. I remove the agent and let me just say book. Okay, and here too I remove the almost and bright. Then here too I remove the after and let's just say before. Okay, then the apple too, the last one now, because. Okay, so now right click. So I'll right click, put the cursor on top of the else if here. Right click, then the last one. Okay. So now let me preview for us to see. So I will type in a random text, because the random text, because it starts from A here, so all the text here pop up on the screen. So okay, let me preview them again. So because it's a random text, the letter, what I'm typing here is not start from letter A, so the message here won't pop up on the screen. Let me preview. So A, okay, they will all pop up, and then next to B, all the words that is in B, they all pop up here on the screen. So guys, you can do it from letter A to letter Z. Okay, so I did A and B, so you can do letter C, D, E, you can do it all the way to letter Z. Okay, this will be all for this video, and guys, please, this is how we do a predictive search field, and this will be all for this video.
Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and make sure to on your notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you can be notified. Thank you.